Hey everyone, if the Opera GX VPN is not working, not connecting, or keeps turning off, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get your VPN working again. First, close Opera GX completely and reopen it. Temporary glitches can often break the VPN connection. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, the VPN won't connect if your base network is unstable. Try switching the VPN off and then turning it back on. Sometimes it just needs a quick reset to reconnect properly. If it still doesn't work, change the VPN region. So some servers may be temporarily overloaded or blocked. Some extensions, especially privacy or ad block tools, can interfere with the VPN. Disabling them can help identify the issue. Corrupted cache or cookies can interfere with VPN connection. Yeah, clearing them may fix connection issues. Make sure Opera GX is fully updated. Outdated versions can break built-in VPN functionality. If you're using another VPN or proxy, turn it off, so multiple VPN services can conflict with each other. If the VPN still won't work, try incognito mode. This helps check if extensions or settings are interfering. Sometimes the issue is on your device. Yeah, restarting can clear background conflicts affecting VPN connectivity. If nothing works, contact Opera GX support. They can help diagnose VPN-specific issues and restore connectivity. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Opera GX VPN not working and get your connection back online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.